Upgrade providing 35 online courses with certificate free of cost. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. And today I am with the courses list, a very long courses list of 35 courses which is absolutely free from Upgrade. Upgrade is known for its quality of contents and the video lectures. But before proceeding, please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends. So Upgrade is providing 35 free courses with the initiative of Upstart. Upstart is the initiative of Upgrade for providing self-paced courses, online courses of data science, business, machine learning, marketing and technology for free. Also, you get free certificate from Upgrade, recognized by Upgrade, and also this is all free of cost. So these are the courses. Here it is written quick courses because it's all are not very long courses from 1 hours to 18 hours courses. Here you can see on your screen, and this list of courses consists of Python programming, data science, basics of Python, linear regression, blockchain, business analytics, social media marketing, marketing analytics. All type of courses are there. Also query languages courses just like advanced SQL course, introduction to database management, and many more courses are there. Natural language processing, web analytics course, Java course is also there, blockchain technology is here, data structure and algorithm course of 50 hours is absolutely free, and it consists of all the questions which you can find in placement also. So here object oriented principle in Java is also there, where you get to know about abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphisms and many more. So firstly look at the frequently asked questions. Some questions are already answered by me in my video. Will I get a certificate? I already answered. You get a free certificate if you complete any of the course. And I found all the 35 courses very amazing. So I am going to sign up all these courses. And you also sign up because this type of offers not come always. We'll look at some more questions. That's like, what if I want to learn more? If you want more courses and you doesn't find that course in this list, so you just go through the Upgrade website. You get many courses. There are many courses are there. You can learn from there, but they are paid courses. But here you can find all the steps of these courses which are listed here for free. You can see here data science course, programming with Python, learn Python, and here this is the business courses, introduction to Excel, data analytics. All the courses are absolutely free, so doesn't forget to register for these courses because they are free for limited period. And firstly registered for this, and for registration it needs minor details about you, some personal details. But if we have an account of Upgrade, so you just log in on that. And here I am going to register on this platform. I am new on this platform of Upgrade. So firstly it needs my name, and after that my full name. After that it needs my email, and after you need to create your own password, and after that it needs your phone number. So after filling up all these boxes, you just sign up and you find this type of tab, that is the Upgrade website is here. And here you can find this second Upstart priceless learning. When you tap on this, you find the course list, the 35 free courses here. When you tap on this, you find the same tab which I shown initially, and now I am going to register for the course which I want, that is of core Java basics. So when I tap on that, it needs my one more information, that is if I am a student or a professional, working professional. So I just tap on the student, and after that firstly there is an introductory video of Upgrade platform. Here is the introductory video. You just watch the full video, and after that you need to just accept the term and condition, and here you find the courses. Here in the first it is a course content. Here also some guidance are there, career services are there, all the stuffs are free. This type of things you doesn't find on any other platform, because here career guidance and many more things are there. And also when you complete one lecture, then you can jump to the next. You directly doesn't jump to the next lectures. I found this upgrade website for your education is very best for you. So doesn't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with your friends this video, so that they also